Editing skills. Editing skills is a must-have when it comes to content creators, digital creators, and other types of creators. You should be able to learn skills on editing. You need to perfect your editing skills. This is very, very important. When it comes to video editing, one thing you should understand, know your tools. Which program are you using? Which template are you using? You should be able to understand how to cut videos. If you are doing blogs, you should know that you're writing a script, you're writing a document. You should be able to edit that document. When there is something bad that you need to omit, you should be able to know how to remove it and add. You should be able to know how to maneuver your content. Editing skills is very, very important, and you should be able to learn editing when it comes to content creation and digital creation. You can learn these and much more for free here on my content. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to follow, and see you on the next video. We are going to learn more.